Hello everyone, this is Villar and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do a review of L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. This is the 24-hour foundation that you see on the drugstore makeup stands. So this foundation, you can buy it at any drugstore makeup counters nationwide. I think this was just released here in the Philippines last 2017. You can buy it at 700 pesos. So as you can see here, ayan. Hindi siya na. So that's 700 pesos for 30 ml. For its packaging, it's plastic. It has a matte finish. Kasi given naman na pro matte siya, so I think yung design din, ginawa nilang matte. It has a squeezy tube packaging, so you can squeeze it like that. There you go. Oops. Careful lang when you open it, kasi medyo marami siyang product na nade-dispense. I love the fact na maliit lang talaga yung labasan ng product. So even though marami kang masisqueeze na product, konti lang rin yung matatapon sa'yo. It says here that it's Infallible Pro Matte. It has a demi-matte finish, and it's airlight and oil-free. Also, I got the shade of 105. Yung range ng shades niya is from 102 to 109. And 105 yun yung middle. So, dahil medyo morena ako, this is the one I got. And on the top part of the packaging, you can see yung code niya. So, I think this is the manufacturing code. Walang nakalagay na manufacturing date. But it says here, nakalagay dito sa baba, imported by L'Oreal Philippines. It has the consumer care hotline, which is a good thing because if you have any concerns about the product, you can actually call their hotline about it. What I love about it is that sobrang dali niyang isiksik sa bag. Look at this, diba? So, super small lang. Hindi ka matatakot na baka mabasag siya. Kasi there are a lot of liquid foundations na naka-glass. Minsan, ang hirap na itapon-tapon lang yung bag mo kasi alam mo na may mababasag sa loob. So, for this one, kapag ito yung nilagay niyo sa bag niyo, for sure, hindi siya mababasag. Meron siyang light vanilla smell na medyo plasticky, but it's not really that smelly. For those times naman na nagamit ko na siya, hindi naman bothering yung smell niya sa akin. We're gonna try it on my skin. Wala akong anything na nakalagay sa skin ko. I just washed my face, and ayan, as you can see, diba? Pimples and all. Ayan po ang bare skin ko. Actually, yung face ko, it's oily on the T-zone, kaya yan talaga yung maraming pimples. Makikita nyo na halos wala naman po tayong pimples on the cheeks, and then even here. So, itong part na to, that's oily, and this one, it's dry. I have combination and oily skin. I try to squeeze the product. So guys, konti-konti lang yung paglagay ng foundation on your skin. I'm gonna give you a tip. If you have this product, you have to shake it. Why? Kasi pag hindi nyo siya shinake, ang lalabas sa inyo medyo hindi dense, parang runny siya. We're going to use this foundation brush. Maglagay muna tayo nito, ayan, para hindi naman medyo makapal kasi yung buhok ko, ayan. Alright, so let's now compare one side of my face with the foundation and the other side without anything on it. Na-conceal niya yung eye bags ko. Lapit ako ng konti. Ayan. Isang layer pa lang inilagay ko, and yet, natanggal na niya yung eye bags. Makikita mo talaga yung discoloration under my eye. Ayan o. Makikita mo na, ay, parang kulang sa tulog. Ganyan. For my pimples, medyo na-lessen niya yung redness, although not completely na-lessen. Nagbigay lang siya ng coverage, pero hindi complete na natakpan niya yung pimples on my skin. So, may improvement ba sa skin? Ayan, I will do this just for the sake na makita niyo yung difference, okay? So, this is the left side. Ito yung merong foundation. Ayan, medyo even yung skin tone. And this is the side na walang foundation. Yan. Yan, mahalata nyo na bagong gising pa ako, di ba? And I love this foundation for its coverage. Pwede siya kapag meron kayong mga lakad, ganyan. Kukomplete lang muna natin yung whole face. Ayan, so nailagay ko na yung foundation on my whole face. Madali po siyang i-blend, but madali din siyang mag-set. Kahit hindi na ako siguro maglagay ng powder to top it off, okay na siya. Yung finish niya, parang powdery foundation na rin. For its texture, hindi siya sticky. Ayan o. Hindi talaga siya nagsistick o. Check natin if nagta-transfer siya. Ayan, may konting transfer. Pero konti lang naman. Mahalata mo na may foundation ako. So, hindi siya 100% natural looking. So, if you're aiming for that natural look, I guess you should aim for a more dewy foundation. So, i-complete ko lang yung makeup ko and I'll be back in a few minutes. I did the flash photography and as I can see, wala naman siyang masyadong white cast. There we go. There. So, magko-contour muna tayo. Yung part na yan. Yan. For those asking, I'm using Wet n Wild Mega Glow na contour. I love it kasi may glow na rin siya. So, nakapag-contour ka na, meron ka ng highlight. Yan. So, the product that I use to set it lightly is the FS Powder Foundation. Pero light lang naman na nilagay ko on my face and then I just did my eyebrows. Naglagay lang ako ng contour. So, later on, we'll check kung gaano ba katatagal talaga tong foundation na to on my skin. And, another thing, mag-oxidize pa siya. So, time check, it's now 8:42 in the morning. Right, so, see you later! So, right now, it's 11 a.m. As you can see, ang ganda pa rin po ng coverage ng foundation on my skin. Medyo nahahalata lang yung eye bags ko. Yung coverage niya, hindi kayang matakpan yung eye bags kasi nakikita ko pa rin siya on the video and on the mirror. Hindi pa naman siya nag-oxidize on my skin. And sana hindi siya mag-oxidize. We'll be back again later for another check-in. Hi, I'm back. So right now, it's already 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Medyo nag-oxidize na siya. Probably because pinagpapawisan din kasi ako. Kung makikita niyo yung tissue ko, ayan. Nagda-transfer. And as you can see, ayan, nagpapakita yung mga blemishes ko. So overall, mukha lang akong medyo pawis. Pero maganda pa rin yung coverage niya on my skin. Yung itsura niya, hindi siya nahuhulas. Feeling ko, perfect tong foundation na to for oily skin like me. Well, although mine kasi is combination oily, imamatify talaga niya yung face mo if you're producing a lot of oil on your face. Okay, so I'm back. And right now, it's 7 o'clock in the evening. So tonight, yung skin tone ko medyo darker na siya than the usual. So since nag-oxidize siya, maybe the next time that I'll repurchase this, baka ang kailangan ko nang bilhin ay 2 shades lighter. Para kahit mag-oxidize siya, okay lang. So for my final verdict for this product, for its price, I'll give it 4 out of 5. Sulit naman siya. But then, you will be needing a lot of product to cover your face. Hindi siya katulad ng other foundations na a little goes a long way. This one kasi, medyo kailangan marami-rami yung ilalagay mo on your face if you want full coverage. For its packaging, I'll give it a 5 out of 5. Kasi sobrang dali niyang ilagay sa bag. As in, pwede ko siya ilagay sa purse, pwede ko siyang ilagay sa makeup counter, pwede ko siyang ilagay sa office drawer, lahat. Pwede ko siyang ilagay anywhere na alam kong hindi siya mababasag. For the shades available, I'll give it a 3 out of 5 lang. Kasi yung shades na meron lang siya is from 101 to 109. And ang hirap pumili ng shades if you're in between those colors. Kasi we all know naman na it's not enough for all the skin tones na makikita niyo all around the world. So, hindi siya ganun ka-flexible. But, what you can do is, you can buy a lighter shade and a darker shade, and then you can mix it to achieve the kind of color that you want. Yun nga lang, I'm not really sure kung maraming colors for the red undertones, pero L'Oreal gave a lot of shades for the yellow undertone. So, para sa mga Pinay, mga morena na katulad ko, maganda siya kasi makakapili ka talaga ng color na para sa'yo na hindi ka nagmumukhang pinkish masyado. For its longevity, now it's 7 p.m. so 12 hours na. And then sa 12 hours na yon, kanina nagmukha siyang full coverage and right now, mas nagmukha siyang natural. Oo, tatagal siya sa face mo pero habang tumatagal siya, mas nagiging mukhang natural looking siya. Sige, for longevity, I'll give it a 4 out of 5. Why? Kasi medyo oily din kasi yung skin ko. Lalong-lalo na medyo mainit kasi sa Pilipinas. But, again, if you're gonna use it sa office, I say go for it. Kasi sa office naman, full aircon ko naman, all throughout the day, I'm very, very sure na nandyan pa rin yung foundation mo and hindi mo kailangan mag-retouch. Coverage, ayun, for coverage, I'm sorry, but I give it 3 out of 5 lang. Although natural looking siya, it doesn't cover yung mga blemishes ko on my face. So, dito sa top area na meron akong mga pimple marks, medyo hindi niya na-cover. Kaya, yun lang yung hinahanap ko. Final thoughts about the product. I'm going to recommend it for those na may oily skin like me or mga may combination skin. If you're using this product, please set it with powder. Kasi if not, magta-transfer lang siya kapag winipe niyo siya or blinat niyo. Yes, nag-oxidize siya. So, kapag pumili ka dun sa counter, make sure na yung pipiliin mo ay 2 shades or 1 shade lighter than your skin. Pero if hindi naman acidic yung skin mo, okay na siguro yung 1 shade lighter lang. And am I gonna repurchase it? Yes. So that's it. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any comments, please write down in the comment box below. Thank you. Bye. See you on my next video.